Hi everyone, this is Jayashree, Assistant Professor, Department of IoT, right? So now we start with the Unit 3 in Cyber Forensic subjects, Cyber Forensic and Investigation. So Unit 3 is Analysis and Validation. So how to analyze the cybercrime, how to validate the cybercrime, that and all we are going to discuss in this unit. So first topic is validating forensic data, right? So what is validation? Determining what data to collect and analyze. For validation, how to collect the data? What are the data to be collected? That is to be identified. Okay, examining and analyzing digital evidence depend on the nature of investigation. So based on the nature of investigation, analysis to be done and the amount of data to process. Okay, so based on the amount of data and the nature of the crime, the evidence is to be collected and analyzed. Okay. So scope creep. So when an investigation expands beyond the original description, okay. So first we imagine like the incident will be in one way, but after starting the investigation, the incident may be on moving in another direction. Okay. So, based on the original description, because of the unexpected evidence found, if we found any unexpected evidence, then our investigation analysis moves in the another direction. Okay. Then attorneys may ask investigators to examine whether the areas to recover more evidence. Okay. The evidence collected is enough or further to be collected, that and all that and NS will decide. Increases the time and resources needed to extract, analyze, and present evidence. It increases the time and resources needed to extract the data, analyze, and present the evidence. Okay. Then we continue with that. Scope creep has become more common. Criminal investigations require more detailed examinations of evidence just before trial. For investigations, criminal investigations, in-depth analysis and more detailed examination of evidence are needed to help prosecutors fend off attacks from defense attorneys. New evidence often is not revealed to prosecution. It has become more important for prosecution teams to ensure they have analyzed the evidence exhaustively before trial. Then validating forensic data. After collecting, how to validate a forensic data. So validating with the hexadecimal editors. So advanced hex editors offer features not available in digital forensic tools such as. So advanced text editors offer features. Offer some other features like hashing specific files or sectors. Hashing, you all know, encrypting the data. Okay, with a hash value in hand, you can use the forensic tools to search for a suspicious file that might have had its name changed to look like an innocuous file. Innocuous means original file, the true file, the actual file. So WinHex provides MD5 and SHA-1 hashing algorithms. Okay, right. So hexadecimal editors are there. Advantage of recording hash values are you can determine whether data has changed. If somebody changed the original data, the actual data, okay, so that is identified using the hash values, okay. Then what is block-based hashing? Okay, a process that builds a data set of hashes of sectors from the original file. Okay, from the original file, the set of hashes are developed, so that thing we call it as block-based hashing. Block-based hashing. So by separating the original file in many ways, various blocks, the hashing is done. Then examine sectors and the suspects try to see whether any other sectors match. Then examine sectors and the suspects try to see whether any other sectors match. If an identical hash value is found, you have confirmed that the file was stored on the suspect's drive. Hash values found, you have confirmed that the file was stored in the suspect's drive. If there are two hash values, identical hash values are found, then the data is in the suspect's drive. You can understand. Then using hash values to discriminate data. How to discriminate, differentiate data? Access data has its own hashing database known as file filter, KFF, no file filter. So KFF filters known program files from view and contains hash values of a known illegal files. It compares a known file hash values with files on your evidence drive to see if they contain suspicious data. It compares known file hash values with files on your evidence drive to see if they contain suspicious data, whether the hash values matches with the suspicious data that is to be identified. Right. So other digital forensic tools can import the NSRL database and run hash operations. So these are the some of function to validate data. Okay. So thanks for watching. We continue in the next class.